Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a meme using Kapwing, which is a really cool tool that really helps you edit video without having to have super good video editing skills or even tools. It's an online video editing platform. I'll put the link in the description below. We'll get to that tutorial in a minute, but for those of you who are new, hi, my name's Andrea Jones, and I'm all about helping you build profitable communities online through simple and fun social media solutions, and today we're having fun with Kapwing. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen and show you that this is the video that I'm working on right now for a client. We want to post this on social media, but just looking at it, it doesn't fit with our feed, and we kind of want to explain what the video is in a meme fun way. So if I click on over to Kapwing, this is what their products look like. I have other videos on them as well, and I'm just going to use their meme generator tool because it's really easy to get started. So you can kind of take a look at the different options here. I'm going to do top text and bottom text as my creation today, and it's really easy. I'm just going to replace this with a video. You can I'm going to try just pasting the URL of the video I just showed you. Hold on, let me cancel that, and I'm just going to copy and paste in the URL for that video. And there we go. So now it is uploaded, and I'm actually just going to use the title of this video as our meme text. So I'm going to go ahead and select this text so that I can edit it. Double click that, paste that there, and actually I'm going to paste it without the formatting. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the rest of this as well. And you'll see that I'm going to have to make it a little bit smaller to fit within our meme area here. So, oh, there we go. Automatically did it. And actually, I want to change this to be white. So I'm going to go ahead and change the text here to be black. Just fits with our brand better. Okay, so that literally took like a second and I'm done. So I want to go ahead and publish this and we'll see what it looks like. Awesome. So as you can see, the video is done being created, and it looks very good, and it only took a second to create this using Kapwing. So try it out for yourself. Click the link below this video, and once you're done, I'd love to see your design, so feel free to share them with me. You can either DM me on Instagram or just comment below this video. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.